Understanding compression sacks. Simplify your packing. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a handy tool that many travelers and outdoor enthusiasts love: compression sacks. These are not just ordinary bags. They're designed to make your packing more efficient and organized. Stay tuned as we dive into what compression sacks are, how they work, and why they might be a great addition to your packing routine. Compression sacks are specialized bags designed to reduce the volume of their contents. By using straps or a similar mechanism, these sacks compress items like clothing, sleeping bags, or other soft materials, making them more compact. This is particularly useful when you're trying to fit everything into a small space, like a backpack or suitcase. Compression sacks typically have a closure system at the top and straps or a lid that helps compress the contents. Here's how they work. 1. Fill the sack. Place your items inside the sack. It's best to fold or roll them neatly for optimal compression. 2. Seal the sack. Once your items are inside, pull the top of the sack closed. Most sacks have a drawstring or similar mechanism. 3. Compress the contents. After sealing, pull the straps or turn the lid, depending on the sack's design. As you apply pressure, the air inside is pushed out, and the volume of the contents decreases. 4. Lock the straps. Finally, secure the straps or lid to keep the sack in its compressed state. Using compression sacks in your packing routine offers several benefits. Saves space, the most obvious benefit. By reducing the volume of your items, you can fit more into your bag. Organizes items. Compression sacks can also help you organize your belongings, making it easier to find what you need when you need it. Protects against elements. Many compression sacks are made from water-resistant or waterproof materials, offering an extra layer of protection for your items. To make the most out of your compression sacks, consider the following tips. Don't overfill. It might be tempting to stuff as much as you can into a sack, but overfilling can make it hard to compress and may damage the sack. Balance your load. If using multiple sacks, distribute the weight evenly in your backpack or suitcase for comfort and ease of transport. Consider the material. Some materials compress better than others. Soft, flexible items like clothing or sleeping bags are ideal. Compression sacks are a fantastic tool for anyone looking to make their packing more efficient, organized, and space-saving. Whether you're a traveler, a hiker, or just someone looking to tidy up their storage at home, these sacks could be just what you need. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding how compression sacks work and how they can benefit you. Happy packing, and see you next time!